Hi, it's Jerry Kennihan from Kennihan Plumbing and Heating. We're going to talk a little bit about air conditioning and what that means to you. In the middle of the summer, it's 4th of July weekend, and it is 95 degrees and you have everybody over to your house. And some of the in-laws or someone spending the night. The last thing you want is an unexpected failure of that air conditioning system. How can we change that? First things first, keep track of it. Have someone come in and look at that system. We have a program called Grandma Zelli's Club where we'll come in once a year and check out your air conditioning system and see when it's operating, are there any issues coming up with it? The best thing you can do with a system in your house is to have it tested and check to make sure that there's no issues going to sneak up on you. That can be a mechanical issue, that can be a freon issue, it could be almost anything, but it's great to have that known ahead of time. So for any of your air conditioning needs, call Kennihan Plumbing and Heating today. We'll send out a qualified factory-trained technician to take a look at that system and give you options for what that repair would take.